Hello traders. We'll be looking at the trend detector indicator of MT4 and MT5. This tool filters out market noise and highlights the dominant trend direction with clear visual signals so you can focus on trading with the prevailing move rather than against it. And I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. As you can see, the trend detector indicator visually marks bullish and bearish conditions on your chart using colored lines and dots. Bullish trends are shown with the blue line being above the red line and a blue dot preceding the change or the movement, as we see here. Meanwhile, bearish conditions are started off with a red dot and the red line being above the blue line in a step movement. And as we can see, the blue dot followed by a bullish momentum and the red dot followed by bearish momentum, and any change in trend is highlighted by that colored dot. Now, because the focuses on filtering out short-term spikes and whipsaws, the display aims to show only the dominant direction, giving you a cleaner read on trend strength and helping you avoid second-guessing your entries. Now we move over to the settings. We have the T value, the T1 value, N value, and N1 value. You can also adjust the color of the line and the dots in the settings. Now on MT5, you can adjust sensitivity levels, colors, and signal intensity to suit scalping, day trading, or swing trading, and you can apply it across anything from 1 minute to weekly charts. This is MT4, so we can't adjust that here. So let's move over to who it's for. The trend detector is suitable for traders of all skill levels who want a straightforward trend filter for forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or stocks. It is a technical lagging tool so it can give false or late signals in choppy or news-driven markets. As we can see here, the trend had already begun before it plotted the dot. And again over here, it is wise to combine it with moving averages, RSI, support and resistance, fundamental context, and disciplined risk management, and testing it on a demo before live use. And you can find the download links for both MT4 and MT5 in the description below, and also read the full trend detector indicator articles covering features, strategies, best practices, and common mistakes at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.